Good morning, everyone. Doesn't feel as bad out here today as some days this summer. Oh, my yellow tall thing is blooming back in there behind the canna lily. You probably can't tell. That's the first of the flowers that's open this year. That's a late-ish in the summer blooming thing. I got the camera right now pointed at the canna lily, just hoping the hummingbird will stop by. Guess time will tell. I got new nectar made for the hummingbird feeder I'll get put out there in a bit. Don and I are going to the gym to work out when I'm done out here. Usually that takes me about 45 minutes, I would guess. Chance of showers today. I'm not going to go crazy on watering because we had the inch a couple days ago. But, you know, things in pots or whatever, I'll check stuff, make sure things are good. It could definitely be getting toward where I need to water things. But there's a pretty good chance today and tomorrow, so I'm going to give it a opportunity. Good morning, Gray. Hi, honey. Hi. Here you go. Hi. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, good girl. You ready to go back out? All right. Good morning, Morris. Hi, bud. Oh, that's a big stretch. Can you come up? Come on, Morris. Morris. He says, just come feed me over here, Mom, where my buddies are. My buddies are all over here. Come on, Morris. Yeah, come here. It's fine. Good morning, bud. Good morning. Hi, buddy. He says, let me eat, Mom. Rub me later. And at this stage in his upbringing, he likes to be rubbed and rubbed a lot, so there will be a later. We got our exercise routine in.
It's hot out here.
Don's got climate on, though.
That's right.
I did much less arm exercises and I'm mad because I don't want to be hurting and I don't want to do less arm exercises. I want to be strong. But I did like 10 reps of some of the stuff that I normally do, and I probably shouldn't have done them. I fixed a hamburger wrap for Johnny. It had lettuce and mozzarella cheese, bacon bits, and ranch dressing. So he's chowing down. Those are the benefits of being home for the summer. We were talking meal plans and health insurance plans today, getting ready to pay the fall semester and make sure he's got what he needs. Seeing some robins in the yard today. And I'm out here because Don's fixing to scoot on down the driveway. He's on his way to the dermatologist. You know, he goes like every 6 months. He's never had anything surgically removed, but he's had a lot of spots frozen. The guy likes to freeze certain things on him, so he's liable to come home today with boo-boos. He's going to Cary over by Whole Foods. Johnny and I actually have an appointment in town, but I think we've got about an hour before we have to get in motion for that. I'm going to go work on editing the video. I've restarted the camera pointed at the red flower, and just enjoying the front yard for a minute. I'm back working on the French mansion building before dinner. I got the fireplace done, some of the floor tiled, a raised floor area completed, the steps in the front and the steps in the back. It's going good, but it's time to stop for meatballs. bye.